Okay, hello everybody. Today we introduce our new machine, automatic headband mask machine. And this headband KN95 mask machine speed is 60 pieces in 1 minute. This is sample. You can check it very clearly. It use the headband. It can protect your ear. Your ear won't hurt. And the welding sport, you can choose the round or square, no problem. And you can choose with logo or not. Okay, you can check the finished sample. Okay, we can introduce to you. This is our new machine, new update. That's why I said new update, because we use the 4-piece ultrasonic for the yellow headband welding. You can see 2 size, 2 ultrasonic, total 4 welding head. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's why this machine can reach to the 60 pieces in 1 minute. And this machine we use the 6-piece ultrasonic and the 11-piece small motor. You can see for the headband welding part we use the 4-piece ultrasonic, and for the edge sealing we use the 1-piece ultrasonic, and for the mask molding we use 1 set ultrasonic. The machine is very special that for the mask cutting we use 2 blades. This is 1 blade. This 1 blade just to cut this edge from here to here. That's why we use 2 blades, because we need to protect the headband. When it run into the next work part, it can protect. You can see this edge will catch, and then running finish welding. Can hear? Yes. When it can hear, we use this blade to cut this part. From this part, yes. So it won't cut to the headband. Okay. We just say we use the 11-piece small motor. Let's introduce to you. For the edge sealing, we use the 1 small motor, and for the ear loop, for the headband welding parts, we use the total 7-piece small motor. 1, 2, 3, 4. And for the headband molding, 5, 6, and the running the mask parts we use the small motor only. Yeah. So total is the 7-piece small motor for the ear loop welding parts. And for the nose pin insert and cut, we also use the 2-piece small motor. You can see. So this machine total uses 11 small motor. You can see the gyro over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 piece swivel motor. And all this machine useless stainless steel, so it can work very stable. And this you can see. That's why we use the 4-piece ultrasonic for headband welding, because it can save time to waiting for the headband to move in. No need to wait, so it saves time. And you can add the printing. You can choose to add the printing machine or punch a hole for bricks. Wow. Okay, thank you very much.